Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Jump City, lived a brilliant teenager named Vic. But Vic was no ordinary teenager, for he was Cyborg, a member of the Teen Titans. Cyborg was known for his incredible cybernetic body, a blend of machine and man, that allowed him to do things others couldn't. However, he often felt a longing for something more, something human. One night, as Cyborg lay in his high-tech bed, he drifted off to sleep, his mechanical heart beating softly. In his dream, he found himself in a lush, green forest. He walked among the towering trees, feeling the soft grass beneath his feet. A gentle breeze rustled the leaves, and he could hear the sweet songs of birds in the distance. It was a place he had never seen before, yet it felt familiar. Suddenly, he heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, he came across a small, injured bird. Its wing was caught in a snare, and it couldn't fly. Cyborg, with his heart full of compassion, gently removed the snare. The bird looked at him with grateful eyes. Then, to Cyborg's surprise, the bird spoke. "Thank you, Cyborg. You've saved my life." Cyborg was taken aback. "I'm Cyborg," he said. "Who are you?" The bird replied, "I am the spirit of this forest. I've been watching you. You have a kind heart, Cyborg." The spirit of the forest then spoke of the importance of compassion and understanding. "You have a unique gift, Cyborg. You are both man and machine. Embrace both parts of yourself, for they make you who you are." Cyborg woke up, his dream still fresh in his mind. He looked at his cybernetic arm and felt a new sense of pride. He realized that his machine parts didn't make him any less human. From that day on, Cyborg embraced his identity as a cyborg, using his unique abilities to help others and spreading kindness wherever he went. And whenever he needed a reminder, he would think back to the forest and the wise words of its spirit. The end.